Do you need a quick hostess gift or a Christmas present for a friend? Try this Friendship Braid Table Runner from Jordan Fabrics. It's a free download and a lot of fun to make. Let's get started. If this is your first time joining me, I'm Andy, and on True Blue Quilts, we enjoy, experiment, and excel as we quilt. Download your copy of this pattern from Jordan Fabrics. I'll put the link in the description box. Start by gathering your fabric. I had an eclectic mix in my stash bin. The white background of Cindy Lou Who looks out of place with the other cream and tan fabric, so let's keep looking. Oh good, I found some more green Christmas fabric in my box of jelly roll strips. I cut all the pieces according to the pattern. My one modification was to use a solid square in the middle where Jenny had a 9 patch. It looks good either way. Time to sew. First half of our Friendship Braid is done, and the second half is going to take a little bit of planning because I want these fabrics to be opposite, so I have to make sure I get that fabric on this other side. This is the piece I'm going to sew first. The pattern reminds you, and just because it's easiest to get it under the machine, you sew the right hand rectangle first, and then you take the strip that has the square on the end and you attach it to the other side. So I am going to add all my other rectangles. To cut our table runner, we just need to come inside of those seam lines. And I can use the tips of those squares as another one of my guidelines. And then the width of my ruler is going to be fine to make that. Just a second to get everything all lined up. I've got a video all about what to do with bonus triangles. So there's one side, and then I can turn that around. So again, I'm going from the center of those squares and just the width of my ruler. Table runner. And then it is ready to layer and quilt. So use your favorite motif there. This would be easy to do just with some swirls, loopy meander. I've got a whole series of free motion quilting videos. This is even simple enough that if you just did stitch in the ditch around all those rectangles, that would be enough to have a nice holiday table runner. Are you in the mood for more holiday crafts? Check out the 12 Days of Christmas playlist and decorate your home for the holidays. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll be back next time with more quilting tips.